Hi folks, Nick Ruiz here at Sherry Conversion Vans in Piqua, Ohio. Today I'm showing you a 2023 Ram ProMaster 2500 high top, stock number 31217T. Now this van has been converted from ATS. It has a rear ramp for mobility purposes here. It's bright white in color. Again, it's a high top 2500, so it's on a 159-inch wheelbase. We've got black running boards as part of that conversion. Driver's side here, you got one on the passenger side. I'll get around to showing you that. Of course, this is a brand new van. We've got steel wheels with a hubcap on it, size 16-inch tires and rims. You do have privacy glass throughout the rear of the vehicle. Get on in here. Of course, we've only got we got two seats up front, the captain's and the passenger. It is cloth. And as we get into the back of the vehicle here, we've got 3 seats that are on a smart track, so they can be moved around, placed anywhere you want them. Make more room for more than one chair in this wheelchair, that is. We have a touchscreen radio here, cruise control. It is a Uconnect system, so you got your hands-free telephone, and power windows, locks, and mirrors, and actually power folding mirrors here as well. That's just great for parking in tight spots or on the street. You don't want somebody to clip your mirror off. Rear AC and heat. Controls are here to the left of the steering wheel. Does have a rear backup camera located on top here. There's your ATS badging. Ram 2500 badging, ProMaster. So we've got a manual aluminum ramp here. It also comes equipped with a hydraulic lowering system for the rear of the van. Takes the steepness off the ramp. And that is located right here, the button. Just hold it down and you will see the van lower. There you go. Now what holds this in here looks like a seat belt fastener. Makes it really easy to use. Grab the handle here, pull it out. I'm doing this with one arm. It is shock assisted. So it's super easy to use. Now again, it's got the smart track in here in the floor. And here are your 3 chairs. That can be loosened up at the bottom and adjusted, put anywhere in here that you want. Then we have Q strengths for multiple chairs here, wheelchairs. You've got your shoulder belts for the chairs. There's your vents for the rear AC and heat. There's more shoulder harnesses here. Another here. And again, here's the button that dropped the hydraulic rear end here. So down we go. Pick up the ramp. Clips right in the fastener. Love it. Now when you close the barn door here in the rear, the hydraulic will automatically go back up. just raised right there, and it just stops. Rear defrost on your windows. Passenger side here, there's your running board, length of the van. Large sliding door here. There you have it, folks. Manual rear ramp on an ATS conversion on a 2023 Ram 2500 chassis, high top. And that's here at Sherry Conversion Vans in Piqua, Ohio. Come see me, Nick Ruiz.